Welcome to another video from DD Aerial Photography. We are here downtown Middleton. Let's check out what is new and what is coming here to downtown Middleton. Let's go fly. All right, everybody's excited about the splash pad. Portillo's opening up here. We're gonna see all the new stores opening up down through here. The Welcome Center and Abbott's. Here we are looking at the shops going down Main Street here. Further on to the west. And we're going to see Middleton Hotel. Alright, everybody has been talking about Portillo's opening up. Portillo's is going to be opening up here towards the end of August. Everybody I know is looking forward to Portillo's opening up. Alright, how about this coffee shop that's supposed to be opening up here? I remember hearing from the overlords that the coffee shop was going to be opening up here. That was 2 years ago. And the spawn of the overlord said that when he woke up at the crack of 10:30 and he was going to roll out of bed and go play golf, he couldn't wait to go get coffee. That was 2 years ago. How do you go down through here looking at the buildings and checking them out? I'm going to label what stores are coming into the buildings. They do say they're going to have a Chinese takeout, that drive-through coffee shop, an Italian restaurant, a nail salon, orthopedics, pack and ship, fitness, financial planning, family dentistry. They do say all this is coming to Middleton, which is really nice to hear. To see the few of these stores that are opening up are really nice to see that the progress is coming along. What store or restaurant are you looking forward to opening up in Middleton? Please comment below. Whoever came up with the design around the palm tree there, thumbs up, buddy. Good job. And who has not been to Provisions down through here in downtown Middleton? I know when I go in there, it is always a lot of people in there. Victory is, I'm going to say Victory right now is the cornerstone of Middleton. They do get a lot of business at Victory. It's a nice restaurant, nice sidewalk bar, cafe type restaurant. If you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. I was really looking forward to Abbott's opening up this summer. I think they really missed a big opportunity of opening up over the summer here. But I am sure I am going to enjoy Abbott's as soon as they open up. But as we come along to this side over here, I know everybody's excited to see the splash pad opening up. I know all the young kids are out there checking out the splash pad, but everybody else is really looking forward to Portillo's. I think Portillo's has gotten more coverage and more talk about and been talked about more opening up in Middleton than any other store or restaurant yet. And I just have 2 words about Portillo's: cake shake. Who is going to join me on day 1 when Portillo's opens up? Another thing I am disappointed about in Middleton is the square. They did say they were going to have some music playing down here, and I thought they would have it more often, being next to the villages, but we have not seen that happen yet. Maybe next year. Here we are at Eastport, at the Village's golf cart store here. So I got the trusty Tundra right there, parked right in front of the store. Yeah, it's closed, but check this out. So you're down here in the Village's golf cars and you're handicapped, and you got to park right here, not in front of the store, because that's where the Tundra's at. You got to park over here on the side. See all the handicap parking spaces over here. That's all on the side. I do have some information about a new building opening up soon here at Eastport. Let's go check it out. Take a look at all the golf carts that they can store on top of that building. That is amazing. Doesn't that golf cart store look like a Johnny and Rockets? Man, who's with me? Leave a comment below. But I did hear that this building is going to be opening up here shortly in like the next week. So if they open up this building here, the Village's Sales Center, that means they will take down the fences. Villagers will be allowed to go inside this area now. And like I said, it's going to be less than 2 weeks that this is going to be opened up. Here we are looking at the Olympia Rec Center. You can see the pool. It's able to hold water, even though it's rainwater. And this is going to be the largest rec center that they have built so far. But it is going to be the center of the Villages, so I do think it is something to say about why the Olympia Rec Center is so large. I do like that they do have the pathway in between the two buildings. They said that was one of the inspirations of Eastport, was the pathways and the alleyways going down through here. I do like the star. Probably symbolizes the center of the Villages. Sunset Island, I cannot wait for it to open up, and hopefully that opens up when they allow us to go into the Villages Sales Center, because when the Sales Center opens up, that's where the villagers will go in to sign their paperwork to buy their homes. But going around Sunset Island is going to be really nice. Here we are checking out the entertainment square. The sales are still up. We've had some pretty good storms passing through here, and everything is a-okay. Let's go down the main street here, down towards Bar. Another FMK restaurant in the Villages. We're going south. We're going down towards Bar Boulevard and 470. While I was filming this, there was a really nice storm brewing, and you will see that storm brewing at the end of the video. I don't know what this corner building is going to be, the staple of coming into Eastport, but right here is going to be a Citizens First Wealth Advisors. That's the first I've heard of that. But as we come down through here, the Villages, they build the buildings and lease them out to whoever wants to put their business into the buildings. And so here are the buildings for the proprietors that want to have their business here at Eastport. They will come slowly but surely, but these buildings will be full of boutiques and restaurants. I do love the church here. I wonder if that's a throwback to Spanish Springs, when Harold Schwartz said it, they wanted to have a church in Spanish Springs. Here we are. This is the dog park here, in case I want to know where it's at. The entrance, it looks like it's only going to have an entrance from the parking lot side. So if you're walking your dog around Eastport, you're going to have to walk all the way around and let your dog loose into here. I do like that they have the American flag flying at the softball fields. The Villages is very patriotic. And you can see the grass is very green here at the softball fields, and they've done a great job working on it. They've done a great job working on turf. You can see all the courts they have down through here: pickleball, tennis courts, bocce ball, the sand lot. the grass fields. Did you notice on the walking paths all the exercise equipment they have going down through here? Keep you villagers fit. The corner of Eastport. Love the sign, love the sunset, love the tree. I love how it's all tied in. Talking about sunsets, here's a very lovely sunset along Sunset Island. Love looking at the water going by Hotel Eastport. Just a lovely view watching the sunset down through here. I think a lot of people will get the enjoyment of seeing the sunset here at Sunset Island. Here we are at the driving range in the golf school. They've done a lot of good work on this turf here. They've got the landscaping all done, and I think this will be opening up shortly. More when the snowbirds arrive, and I know a lot of snowbirds are looking forward to the golf course being opened up. It's a nice executive golf course. I think it'll be the best executive golf course when the snowbirds get here, because no one has played on it. And it has been open, or has not been open, it has been available to be played, what, 6-8 months? So there's a lot of water on this course. This is a very challenging executive golf course. And like I said, being the first executive golf course down here at Eastport, be down here down the south side of the villages. I know that Laurel Oaks is up there, but this is down on the south side, the farthest south of the villages, and being an executive golf course free to all the villagers, be highly sought after. Here's that storm that was brewing in. Man, it was awesome. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here's another video of mine that YouTube thinks that you will enjoy.